Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best blender for protein shakes is NutriBullet Pro Blender. It features a powerful 900-watt motor with unique extraction blades and exclusive cyclonic action to break down, pulverize, and emulsify whole fruits and vegetables better than any standard blender or juicer, creating silky smooth nutrient-extracted beverages that nourish your system from the inside out. Great for those who are active in their lives and proactive about their health, the NutriBullet Pro makes ultra-nutritious NutriBlast smoothies to enjoy at home or on the go. Its compact size and simple assembly fit onto any countertop, while its cups, blades, and accessories rinse clean under the tap or in the dishwasher. NutriBullet Pro is easy to use and easy to clean. Simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. That's health without the hassle. Number 2 in our side is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. This blender is the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Layer coarse chops over smooth purees for heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is made from BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester and fits under most cabinets, ideal for those cooking for one or making small family meals. This blender features a variable 10-speed control knob enabling users to craft their ideal texture. The added pulse feature adds quick bursts of power when needed. The Vitamix's stainless steel blades reach high enough speeds that the friction alone can heat a soup in approximately 6 minutes. With just one pump of soap and 30 seconds, the blender will clean itself. Let's watch more. Third in our best blender for protein shakes list is Hamilton Beach 51103 Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid lets you blend and run. Since the blending jar is also a travel mug with lid, there is no need to find the right cup or spend time cleaning up the blender before leaving the house. The Hamilton Beach 51103 is our choice for best for the money for making protein shakes. If you're looking for an all-around great kitchen blender, you're going to be disappointed in this model, but if you're looking for a shake-making workhorse, you're in luck. The good news is that you're never going to accidentally liquefy something and end up with a gross, runny shake, as this model comes with a weak motor. That means to get the best results, you're going to have to help it along a little, cutting ingredients up beforehand and adding water to the mix before blending. Our fourth pick is Hamilton Beach 51101 AV Personal Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is a go-to for on-the-go smoothies and protein shakes without breaking the bank or taking over precious counter space. This simple one-button operation is easy to use and ideal for simple drink recipes. Just press down and blend. The 175-watt motor and stainless steel blades easily crush ice for smoothies and icy beverages. Efficient 175-watt motor provides all the power you need for fast, reliable performance. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid allows you to make smoothies, shakes, dressings, small batch salsas and more to your desired consistency and taste with simply the press of a button. The stainless steel blades can easily cut through ice and frozen fruit, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. Last in this list is NutriBullet NBR1201 Blender. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. The NutriBullet NBR1201 is one of the latter, as it includes 3 different blades that you can use to create different textures and consistencies, no matter what you're blending. You also get 3 blending jars of different sizes that double as cups, which means you can always make the exact amount you want. This model is also small, which makes it easy to store when you're not using it. This model does have some quality control issues. These blenders tend to become leaky over time or are that way right out of the box. For details, let's watch more.